How to remove learned words from iPhone keyboard. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from this page. Here, go to Text Replacement at the top to manage specific saved words and phrases. Then, tap on Edit at the top right. To remove a single entry, swipe left on the word you want to delete. And then tap the Delete button that appears. Then, tap on the check mark at the top right to remove it. Alternatively, go back to the General Settings page. Scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap on Reset. Then, select Reset Keyboard Dictionary from the list of options. Enter your passcode to confirm this action. A pop-up will appear, and tap on Reset Dictionary. This will delete all custom words that you chose to delete. Following these steps, you can easily remove learned words from an iPhone keyboard.